Does your back hub of your wheel make noise when you're coasting downhill? Hi, this is Tony at Tony 10 Speed. Some free hubs are just noisier than others from the first day you put them on. Now, we're not talking about the wear and tear that occurs over time. We're talking from the get-go. And it's the nature of the hub. Some just have more mechanisms or pawns, thus creating more noise. Others are just lighter with less dampening. Some people like that noise, some people don't. If you want to decrease the noise of a relatively new hub or one you've had for a long time that's always made noise, we're going to show you a quick fix for that. What you'll need is some Phil's Tenacious oil, nice viscous oil that will dampen any sound within the free hub. Costs about $5.95 out of Amazon. Some plastic pipettes, you can get these for a couple of dollars from Amazon. A metallic measuring cup, a lock ring removal tool, and chain whip to remove the cassette. Put a small amount, maybe half a teaspoon, of the Tenacious oil into the metal cup. We're going to take it outside and let it warm up. You want to do this preferably in the middle of summer when it's nice and warm, and we'll make that obvious to you at the end of the video of why we're doing it that time of year. Place the container with the Tenacious oil out in the sun. This will allow it to heat up a little bit, decrease the viscosity of the Tenacious oil, and allow it to seep into the free hub with much greater ease. While the Tenacious oil is heating up in the sun, go ahead and remove the skewer using your chain whip and lock ring removal tool. Go ahead and remove the cassette. With the warm Tenacious oil, we're going to dribble the Tenacious oil right around the edge of the free hub where it joins the rim of the hub. Holding the spines of the free hub, spin the wheel clockwise. Let that Tenacious oil work its way in. Reapply the Tenacious oil, spin again, and do that about 3 or 4 times. Wipe off any excess that may have dripped around the rim of the hub. Go ahead and reassemble your cassette. Tighten the lock ring. And replace the wheel on the bike. Take your bike out for some riding in the nice warm weather over the next several weeks. The nice warmth of the summer will allow the Tenacious oil to be a little less viscous and allow it to seep into the free hub and quiet the noise. Give it a try. Thank you. Safe riding.